Hello everybody. In this video we will talk about functions. A function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. It takes in input arguments, performs some operation on them and returns an output value. Functions also make code more manageable and easier to understand by breaking it down into smaller and more manageable pieces. Functions are a crucial aspect of Python programming that can significantly enhance your capabilities as a Python programmer by enabling you to solve more complex problems. Since now we are getting into more advanced stuff in Python, it is important to combine everything I have taught you till this point in order to get better in Python. During your progress in Python, you may get annoyed with some things, but don't worry, this is absolutely normal for beginners. Before ending this video, I have to tell you something. I'll tell you some things that you need to remember. It will take some time to grasp the basics of Python, but once you will do, you will fly. If you ever happen to make a mistake or make too much mistake, then just know that you are really progressing and you don't have to worry about it because this is very normal thing for any Python beginner who have never coded before. Another thing, always feel free to ask questions in the comment section of my videos. So in the next video, I will show you how to create functions and use them.